if you want to set your Android device to only black and white colors. Today in this video, I will show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. First, we need to go and enable the developer options on your Android device. So go to your settings and go to About Phone right here. Tap on All Specs and then tap 6 to 8 times on your MIUI version or your build number, depending on what device you are on. Just like that, we have enabled the developer options. Now we go back to the main screen of settings and then search right here for developer options. Once you find it, tap on it. You find a lot of options. Just look for the one that says Stimulate Color Space. Once you find it, tap on it and then select Monochromacy. Just like that, you have enabled the black and white mode on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.